Hey guys, myself Pratik. So in this video we're gonna be doing how we're gonna study the best way to study the NCERT Bio. Okay, both of the standards on the 11th standard and the 12th standard we're gonna be studying the effective way, the best possible effective way. Okay, in this video. So the 11th has been wasted, so we're gonna be consistent for the 12th. We're gonna be cracking Neet in 2027 in the first attempt, so we have to be a little bit serious, guys. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna tell you the best way to read NCERT for Neet. Okay, in this video, so yeah, let's get started. So in this, we should aim for the highest. Okay, we should dream big, and we should aim for the highest. That is 360 out of 360. We should aim it. Okay. So in the biology, as we know, the main is NCERT, guys. Yes, right. So the main is NCERT. So the NCERT is holy book. Okay. We should consider it as holy book, and we should work towards NCERT. So I would recommend firstly any coaching. Okay, if you go coaching or the college classes or your PW or Unacademy or Akash, any of the coaching classes, guys. So any of the coaching classes, so that lecture notes, so we should read it first, guys. So I would recommend we should read it first. Okay, let's read it first, then we're gonna get an clarity about the concepts. So after getting clarity about the concepts, we're gonna be jumping towards NCERT, the main concept here. So after jumping in the NCERT, we're gonna be reading it thrice. This is main important. We should read it thrice, guys. Okay, we should read it thrice. So we should read NCERT line by line, mindfully, peacefully. We should read it. So we should understand very deeply. Okay, we should understand mainly and very deeply NCERT thrice. We should read each chapter thrice. After reading a chapter thrice, so first step was class notes, any class notes. After that, NCERT book thrice. After that, we should read NCERT hard. We should read NCERT more. Thrice we should at least read it. So after that, in the side of the NCERT, see, let's imagine it's an NCERT. In the sides, it's gonna be making some notes, short notes, or whole paragraph in small lines here itself. So let's gonna make some notes here itself, right? So it's when for the next time when we are reading, it's gonna be very easy. Okay, for the first time thrice, then again we're gonna be reading, and we should mainly understand the concept very deeply. Okay, and the main we need is concept clarity here, guys. So okay, the concept clarity is very important here. After that, we should keep a separate book. I would recommend and separate book for MCQ creations. Okay, we should think as examiner point of view. This is a very important thing I have noticed. So I have been taught by my brothers, and I have been researched myself. So we should think as examiner point of view and make our own MCQs paragraph. Okay, this is important step in these areas. So think as examiner point of view and make our own MCQs per paragraph. So as we are seeing in this is an normal in the bio. So double circulation, the blood flows, let's go to the rest. The blood flows strictly by a fixed route through blood vessels. The arteries and veins. Basically, each artery and veins consist of 3 layers: an inner lining of the squamous endothelium, the tunica intima, a middle layer of the smooth muscle and elastic fibers, the tunica media, and an external layer of fibrous connective tissue with collagen fibers, the tunica externa. The tunica media is comparatively thin in the veins. So, in this paragraph, there can be formed infinite questions. Okay, infinite number of questions it can be formed here. So, as we can see, if we think as examiner point of view, we can form infinite questions, but we can predict some questions, right? So in this fixed route, we can form a question here. See, fixed route through blood vessels. How does blood flows through? Means blood vessels. Blood flows through vessels. It's an easy. So next question gonna be, uh, each artery and vein consists of how many layers? The MCQ is gonna be 1, 2, 3 layers. So the option is 3 layers, guys. So answer is 3 layers. And the inner lining of pharmaceuticum consists inner tunima. So they have been given all this, and they may give pick the incorrect ones like this. So after this is an explanation how can possible MCQs can occur in this paragraph. So we take an book and write here all the paragraph, uh, and according to this paragraph, the page number and the possible MCQs can be formed in this paragraph. After revising, after writing all those MCQs, we should revise the MCQs first. Okay, let's make ourselves the MCQs perfect. After this, we should solve any modules, not neither any specific one. Solve any of your module of your choice. Okay, and then I would recommend like Neet. I would recommend I use like Neet and Tardigrade and any other apps for MCQs and revisions. So I am using Neet and Tardigrade. You can also use those Neet and Tardigrades. It's an easy. So if there is no promotion in this video, it's a very easy method for picking the questions and stuff. Okay, for the need. So let's solve MCQs as much as possible in these, as much of possible questions in these. Okay, but listen, after that all mainly we should solve PYQs, guys. Okay, it's very important. The PYQ is gonna be very important in these lessons. Until now we have concept understanding is done. Okay, it has been termed long term memory, cause firstly we have did, so firstly we have did many other things, like we have, so from this we have read the class notes done, and again the class notes has been done, and NCERT has been done. So thrice has been done NCERT, and again examiner point of view and MCQs has been done by ourselves. So and we have done MCQs in the modules and many other MCQs in the monitor tardigrade and PYQs. Until then we have understand the concept is fully in our brain. So the concept should not leak out. So for those I would recommend, I am using short notes and flashcards, so it might help you guys. So you can go through short notes and flashcards. So let's make flashcards for the quick revisions and short notes for the quick revisions also. So these both help many. Okay, these both help very highly, guys. Okay, these both very highly in a few times. If there is few minutes left for exams, you can go through flashcards quickly. So it's a quick revision, guys. That's it. So the main thing we need to maintain now, cause our 11th is vested, is consistency, guys. So consistency we have maintained. So I try to upload as much as content as possible. So please consider this as a video, and mainly we want to revise, guys. Okay, we should revise thoroughly. So after the consistency we should revise each chapter. After this I would recommend, like I am doing, so it would help you guys. So I will tell you, use these MCQ questions, OMR sheets, instead of just taking the questions in the app. I would tell, just see the questions in the app, and also use the app also, but I would recommend an MCQ paper sheet in physical paper sheet. Okay, physical paper, it's a very good method, cause you can able to read some and mark some questions in the OMR sheets as soon as possible, and the timer as well. It's a basic. Okay, so after this is an enough for Neet, guys. All this is enough for the Neet. So I hope it's useful to you guys. So I'm using this. So I hope it's useful. So subscribe and like the channel. So if you're new, then let's subscribe and hit the bell icon and like the video. So as we can see, we should do as we see, you should do class notes, NCT thrice, and we should read NCQ thoroughly, NCRT thoroughly, concept clarity, then think as examiner point of view per paragraph, and make MCQs. And after the MCQs, revise the MCQs and PYQs and MCQs here as well, and short notes and flashcards. That's it, guys, and an exam per chapter. So it's an easy, I think. So for the effort, please hit hand, subscribe, and like the channel, like the video, and hit the subscribe. Okay, guys, see you in the next upcoming video. So bye bye.